Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply your Daniela Bell mink lashes. Okay, so let's get started. First, you're gonna take your box and you're gonna open it up and pull the ribbon forward to get the tray out of the box. Once the tray is out, you're just going to bend it and pull the lash from the center like so. That way the lash can come in one piece and you don't modify the shape of the lashes. Alright, let's get started. Your first step is going to be apply mascara onto your real lashes. Just because you don't want to apply mascara afterwards. Your mink lashes tend to get dirty and then clumpy if you do that easier. And of course you want your lashes to last longer, so don't put mascara on afterwards. Put it on before you start. For your second step, you're going to want to hold your eyelash and measure it onto your eyelid. You want to make sure that the lash is not too long, otherwise it's going to poke throughout the day. So what I always like to do is measure it first onto the eye. And once I see that it fits, then I can just apply it. Or if I need to cut it, I'm just gonna take some scissors and cut always from the outside. To cut your lashes, you wanna cut always from the outside. So make sure you're not cutting from the inner part, because we want that lash to continue to show the real style of the lash instead of modifying the inside. Because sometimes it's a little bit longer in the inside than it is on the outside. So make sure you don't trim in the beginning. Trim on the ends only. Step number 3 will be to hold your lashes with your lash applicator and now apply the glue only onto the band. Make sure you don't touch the hair because we don't want to ruin our mink hair. We just want to touch the lash line. Your next step is going to be to glue your lashes onto your own lashes. So what I like to do is to always help myself with my lash applicator and aim my lashes upward. I'm going to bring my lashes onto the center of my eye and let my lash go. Now I'm going to take the other side of the lash applicator and help myself to press the inner part into my inner corner and now the outer part into my outer corner. Just like that. Okay, now it's your next step. You're going to take your lash applicator and clamp your own lashes with your falsies. That way we will see no gap in between your false lashes and your real lashes, and they will blend more seamlessly. Your last step is going to be to curl your lashes with your falsies. The way you do it is just put the padding against your skin and now you're just going to press lightly to clamp your lashes with the curler. It will give you a better lift and also a more seamless look, so they will look nice and blended. So there you have it. Those are some quick and easy steps for you to apply your Daniela Bell lashes. Remember, these lashes can be worn up to 35 times, so make sure not to toss them away. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Daniela Bell Beauty and Daniela Bell Lashes. That way you can stay tuned with the new trends, new tips, new styles, everything that's happening with my lash line. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here and make sure that you stay tuned for new videos. I'm gonna have new stuff coming up. I'm gonna be talking to you about makeup tutorials and just other fun stuff that's happening. Alright, stay tuned for my new video and I'll see you soon.
That's good.
Nailed it. You're gonna help yourself with the lash applicator and clamp your lashes with your own lashes. That way you don't see a gap in between your lashes, your real lashes, and your mink lashes. Lashes, lashes, lashes. You don't say that too many times.
That's good.
Nailed it.